Welcome to the in front of me Oppo A96, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Now just to switch it, you should swipe this white dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. And as can you see, by this way we can change the ringtone volume of our Oppo device. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press here first to the volume button function and be sure that you have selected the ringtone volume, not the media one. And now just by press up or down volume button you can also change the volume of your device ringtone. And also we can do it by the third way, just with our finger swipe this volume panel to the up or to the down. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.